Okay, good afternoon or good morning, depending on when you're getting to this video. Schlegel here, just to talk to you about some of the options that you have in math as you move from the middle school to the high school. So I'm going to run through three different scenarios, and it's basically the reason that we're doing this is we want to work with you to help you make the decision that is best for you as you go from here to the high school, and we want you to be able to make some informed decisions about what classes you take. So with that, here is three different math options as you transition from Harrison to the high school. So what I want you to be looking at first is that here on the left, we have your entire high school career listed out, including 8th grade here. And so this row here is your 8th grade year options, 9th grade year options, 10th grade, 11th grade, and 12th grade options. So we're going to go ahead and start here with option 1, which I call the normal option. This is the option that is right for most people. And so the option here is basically that you take 8th grade math this year, which all of you have. And then after that, you take one math class every year in high school. So next year you would go to geometry, the following year algebra 1, the following year algebra 2, and the following year pre-calculus. Again, that's the normal track. That's what is right for most people. If you are wanting to do more math than the average person or more math than what is required, you have option 2 and option 3 that the only reason to do one of these is because you're a person that wants to do more math than most other people. And so option 2 here, folks, is for students who took geometry and are completing it this year in the 8th grade. We have quite a few of those students here at Harrison. And so looking at what happens to those students as they go to high school next year, they will take Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Pre-Calculus, and they will get to a course called AP Calculus. So you'll notice that basically option 2 is 1 year ahead of option 1, which allows students to get to this extra math class called AP Calculus. And so if you're a person that wants to, again, do more math, the only reason to do option 2 or to have taken geometry this year would be to be able to get to AP Calculus your senior year. And you'll see that if you were to count, you have 5 high school math classes that this person takes and only 4 high school math classes that this person takes. Again, the only reason for option 2 or option 3 is if you are a person that wants to do more math. So you can see that the normal track here does not get a person to the course called AP Calculus. You may be wondering to yourself, gee, I didn't do geometry my 8th grade year, and my 8th grade year is almost over, so it's too late for that now. Is there another way that I can get to this AP Calculus class because I really like math and I want to do more math than what is offered in the normal track? The answer is yes, you can get to more math by combining Algebra 2 and geometry at the same time your 10th grade year. So if you are a person who is looking at, gee, next year I would really like to take Algebra 1 so that I can take Algebra 2 and geometry at the same time my 10th grade year so that I can get to AP Calculus, that is an option that we have for you. So what I'm going to ask you folks and your teacher to do is work together just to decide, hey, if option 2 was right for you, that's already done because you're almost finished with the geometry course already. We need you to make a decision between option 1 and option 3 if you are a student who is not completing geometry this year. Again, option 1 is the normal track and what is right for most people. 4 years of high school math is what gets done here. Option 3 is an option for someone that wants to do more math than that. You would get through 5 math classes in high school if you were to do option 3. So what we're going to be doing, folks, again, is just make sure that you understand this and that you are able to work with your teacher and make the decision that is best for you so that we know what to put you in as you start high school at Sunnyside High School this coming year. With that, folks, I hope this makes sense. I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have an awesome day.